Hi, my first unboxing video from Sweet Tea Stitches. Here I go. Sparkle white glitter canvas. I just love it. She had a sale on it, so I bought a few rolls of it, but it is one of my go-tos for stitching. I also got this beautiful basket weave. I think this is the white version, but it's not white. Look how pretty it is. Just kind of changes colors. Can't wait to make something with that one. I like all things shiny, as you all may know. So here we are, another shiny glittery thing. Rainbow glitter sparkle. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet, but I had to have it because it's pretty. Vegan leather. The light blue, isn't it so pretty? That's going to pair up nicely with a lot of her vinyls. I love using it for bags, but this is her vegan leather, and it's so pretty. I just love it. And just real easy to work with. If you haven't got this floral print, look how vibrant and lively it looks. It really pops. It's a nice print. I picked up some clear. I'm always picking up clear, but look at what I got. It's so cute. The clear butterfly. I'm getting ready to do some 4th of July stuff. I can't wait to make a bag or something with this. I just love it. Now for my goodies. Shelly sends little extra goodies, and because we're friends in real life, she knows me quite well. And when she sends me things, it's usually green, because green is my favorite color. But I got me a green little bobbin holder. I just love these things. I'm collecting those. I order from her just so I can get those little doodads. Well, and then support her. And I love her product. So many reasons why I buy from Natalie. I do like the little extra kitties. I got my green marking pen. I just love it. I have several of these. I'm collecting those too. And I got this fancy, I'm telling you how fancy it is. Look at that pin. You know, she just goes out of her way for her customers and just takes care of them. Sends them little happy gifts. These little butterfly pins happen to be my favorite, and I didn't know they existed until she sent me some. I have this cute little, let me show you, little tulip pin cushion on my sewing machine right here. I put my little butterflies and chicks and stuff in them. Anyways, they're extra long pins, so they're great for when you're hooping your towels or pinning your towels in your embroidery hoops. Anyways, I'm gonna save the best for last because look at, okay, she sends me stickers, and I got these little cute little Powerpuff Girl ones. Oh, Mojojojo. My daughter, she was into Powerpuff Girls for years. Her whole bedroom was Powerpuff. So that's why I did Powerpuffs at one time. I love sunflowers too, and she knows it. I'm not antisocial. I'm selectively social. She gets that about me. And here it is, the best for last. Y'all be jealous of this one, because anybody knows me knows that I love coffee and I drink it all day long. And Kuromi, isn't she just she's just a bad blank. I just love her. Anyways, she's a biker in the biker gang for Hello Kitty. I'm just saying. She rides a tricycle. Anyways, thank you for all the goodies. I appreciate it. I always look forward to those. They make me smile. Anyways, hope you enjoyed my video, and y'all just keep supporting her, because she backs up all her products. She's great. I sound like a commercial, but I feel like if I was going to do a commercial for anyone, she'd be my choice, and is. So thanks for watching. Bye. I don't know how to turn this thing off.